have modified cars down here.
You can go ahead and take a video anyways.
The big bed.
Yeah, Doug, this one's at 69.7.
Kind of hard for me to get the whole angle because we have a lot of crowd of people, as you can see today. Kind of hard to really get in and out of the cars and really get a good look. I'm at the Hyundai area here at the auto car show here in Baltimore. And this is the highway.
Okay. No, I get it. Genesis is nice. Yeah, no, Genesis is very nice. Okay. So from the 90 to the 80 was
mid-size, think E-Class, think your 5 Series, S-Class.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
It is about 8 inches longer than that guy.
Yeah, I got a quick question for you. When are the two-door models of the Genesis going to be coming out? I've been looking so much about it.
I don't know when they'll be out.
Okay, I'm just documenting. That's all for the. It's all. I'm just documenting.
By 2021, we plan on having a fleet of about 6 vehicles.
I'm sorry, what?
I said by 2021, we plan on having a fleet of about 6 vehicles.
Oh, okay.
And the order in which it'll be out. So.
Okay. All right then. Well, thank you very much. Okay.
Do you want a brochure?
A little later on, I'll get a brochure. All right. Thank you very much. All right.
Please direct your